In the meantime, Your Grace, I urge, turn your mind to the issue before...
There is no issue. There are bellyachs bleating their dissatisfaction at the order of things.
No, callers.
I defer to the Queen.
Useless. What would your father do? A banquet, I think. Great day for the three of them.
We are much honoured, Your Grace.
Oh, how are you styling yourself?
Oh, Targaryen, Your Grace.
Oh, absolutely not.
Then I have no style. So fashion. Why, then?
Good. And you?
I'm a blacksmith by trade, Your Grace. I go by hammer.
Hugh the Hammer? Of the White? And Adam of Hull? You.
In the name of the warrior, I charge it to the brave. In the name of the farm, charge it to the just. In the name of the love, charge it to the feather. Sir,
Sir? Oh. Sir Hugh? Sir Adam? Knights in your consent. Will you swear fealty to your ruler and her cause, to be servants and agents of the crown for all your days?
I swear, Your Grace.
I do. It's okay. Since the action is not fulfilled, begin. A sort of wedding of my expect. Now the wedding keeps on. Yes, of course. I get told to provide your wife. She's gone. Or in the city to find her own village responsible for the broth. There's nothing for me. And sir, and she will visit the house for you on the same street. And when might that be? Your Grace. As soon as I am able. I have nursing counsel at present. You are pleased to serve me. A watch. Dynamic conditions for any kind of message. No will attend to your request. Read out. I'm sorry, I was sharp for mistake. I had a small spot I eat. No, he won't. And yet my father means isn't telephone. What do you know? Something else. What is it? You ruled this realm in order that we will not have rain. Please. I heard petitions today. There are many of them. And there needs a many more, sir. Heavy weight. How did you bear it? In truth? You may not rule. Remain yourself. There are choices to be made, and you may, on occasion, have to turn your face away while people suffer and die. There is in you a door that must shut. You will do things that your heart would have recoiled from before you came to the throne. I acknowledge the struggle, but I dispute that I must become what I am not. Time will tell. My father remained himself. Your father lived in a world of his own construction. You and I have never set foot there. Be welcome. You have all heard, I'm sure, that our ascension is proclaimed throughout the realm. Already the high towers have bent the knee before me, and likewise, those in this room have pledged their loyalty. Later than I would have liked, but I come before you as a conciliate.
It is a proud privilege, Your Grace, to attend you here. At last, I avow, which all here know, that I mistrusted the High Tower claim from the beginning.
I'm sure that's true, even if I heard no tale of you rising up to protest it. Ah, I see our feast is served. What is this? This is what the common folk of my city have. This and worse, while you, and those like you, hid provisions away in your storehouses. Your Grace, we were afraid. But you have had us starve, and our families with us. I would have no one starve. I would have those with much, exercise stewardship, and tend to those with little, as a shepherd tends to their sheep. The poor, like rats, overrun the city. They thieve and fight for every crown. And would you not do the same if your children were hungry? No, I would not. Admirable restraint, and would I come to you in your grave. As you sit here, my gold cloaks are entering each of your houses. They are searching your storerooms for all that you hoarded away. They will bring what they find back to me for distribution to those in my city who need it. This is unconscionable. We're being robbed. What the crown demands of you is not plunder but duty. And tonight will serve as a lesson in what I will require of you, now and henceforth. Believe me.
Your Grace,
Andrew, is it?
Support him, Andrew. Your Grace, your humble servant.
Is it humility that causes you to smile so as well?
This is Emery's known for a hand well played.
My gold coat will be visitors to your household as well.
And no doubt I am as deserving as any here. It's a bold move and a small foot cheer. And they can make them together. She will not hide the bread scarce and fastness.
Go, Mr. Short, said Tom. My memory is
No resemblance to this.
They are merchants and minor nobles, taken very near to.
To admit, there's nothing to use them. It will help a certain number of people for a certain number of weeks to do nothing for the rest of them. It's a gesture only.
And gestures matter. But, you say rightly that this is not a love sensation. But that's arranged fly. Just the dome. Lady Jane never sent sword from this. She never it in coin.
This is an errand out of relish.
The other great houses are also here. In the meantime, we tell gold, or treasures of gold, as we are hobbled before we begin.
Cleansed father. And yet we still don't know who you are.
If I fail to administer my city, how will I be trusted to govern a realm?
They all call through reference. You know, six. It is a power beyond imagining. Why scrabble here for gold when the world lies before us? Dawn could be ours. And then Essos and the free cities. Yeti and its riches. They say there is a city at the edge of the world and there are things.
I remember wishing to go there, to see them for myself.
And those men will serve us, they will serve you. Beloved empire, unassailable. Natural to open it forever.
Each time's cool laws and our orders like the pirates that play against us.
Stars gods. That's what it always meant to be. Opinion John was secas, and Pranos, and Therese of Kikir, Ilstao, Wepo Valir, or Edwurus.
Del Trider, il Dumano, Darro vanno vedere lo Ondurus. Che per noi è stato
Get our Sus Valientes. They have peace with him. But even else is planning. Dori Provavi, or Rapitas.
Hai Toluro Ondoro Curvos Ilsa.